famous for this kind of sea product. It's a dry fish, very yummy. You do deep fry, and Thai people love to eat them with rice.
Alright guys, so first day here in Thailand, and we are at Ampawa floating market. It is so cool. There's so much food, seafood. There's boats going through. There's restaurants on the water. It is so amazing, and I cannot wait to sit down and have a bite of what the locals call deliciousness. This tom yum soup is like the best I've ever tasted in my life. Some pad chai, some papaya salad, got some prawns, got some crab, and mussels. Hi guys, so I'm here at a market where a train actually runs through it, and it's so cool because they're selling fruits, they're selling clothes, there's coffee shops, there's everything here, and it's so cool because I've never seen anything like it, and it's amazing. There's mangoes, there's pineapples, there's a cat if you want to buy one, just this one too. I'm just joking. They're so cute. Aww. There's fruits here on the side. Sawadee ka.
I wanted so much to buy mango.
So cute.
I want to buy mango.
You want some mangoes?
Oh my god.
And then, do this. Too thick.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, get my anger out. Sorry. User, you abuser. Boom.
Okay. Top is made from oil and chili, like a dry chili.
So here's my tom yum mushroom. I got no shrimp in mine. Here's my papaya salad. Okay. Alright guys, the room tour. Here's the closet. I'm so excited to be here at the Pullman hotel in Bangkok. This is the washroom. It's so cute. Hi. And love this tub. Love the shower. Hi. And there's a bar here. We love mirrors. There's mirrors everywhere. Hi. And then the bed. Love it. Love, love, love. I love two beds. And then, oh my god, so cute. I got a hat, luggage labels, so cute. Oh, red lipstick and cupcakes. Love it, and I love my view of the city, you guys. This is like my favorite building over here. Alright guys, so we are on our way to Asiatique shopping district, I guess. Is it right?
Yeah, Riverside.
Yeah.
It's actually entertainment district also.
Entertainment district. Obviously, as soon as I step in, everybody, you got entertainment. You want to take a picture with Julie Boo? It's gonna be 1,000 baht, okay? So stay tuned for the girl dressed in a yellow crop top and black skirt because I'll be charging some Thai baht, y'all. Alright guys, we did some shopping and now we're about to have some dinner. There's a nice breeze going on, there's live music, we're loving her. So yeah.